Hi friends, welcome back to Senior Wellness Plus. Today we're going to talk about something really important. The 7 everyday habits that could be quietly wearing down your joints after age 50. But don't worry, I'm also giving you practical fixes to help you stay strong, mobile, and pain-free. Let's start with the first habit. 1. Sitting too long. Whether it's watching TV, reading, or working at the computer, sitting for hours reduces circulation and stiffens your hips, knees, and back. Instead, make it a goal to stand up every 30 to 45 minutes. Walk around the room, do a few gentle stretches, or even march in place, anything to get your joints moving again. 2. Crossing your legs. It may feel comfy, but crossing your legs all the time can throw your hips and lower back out of alignment, creating knee and hip strain. A better option? Sit with both feet flat on the floor and change positions regularly. If you sit at a desk, using a small footrest can help keep your posture balanced. 3. Wearing unsupportive shoes. Old sneakers, flip-flops, or walking barefoot on hard floors can lead to poor alignment and increase stress on your knees, hips, and back. Instead, look for shoes that offer solid arch support and cushioning. If you're indoors, supportive slippers or cushioned house shoes can make a big difference too. 4. Skipping warm-ups before activity. Jumping right into chores, gardening, or exercise without warming up can put a lot of pressure on stiff joints and tight muscles. Always spend at least 5 to 10 minutes warming up with light stretches or gentle movement. This prepares your body, reduces stiffness, and helps prevent injury. 5. Looking down at your phone or tablet. We all do it, but that forward head posture strains your neck, shoulders, and upper back. Instead, hold your device up at eye level and take breaks to gently stretch your neck side to side and up and down. Even a few simple movements can relieve tension and improve posture. 6. Lifting items the wrong way. Bending at the waist or twisting when picking up groceries, laundry baskets, or other heavy items puts stress on your lower back, shoulders, and knees. Instead, remember to bend your knees, keep your back straight, and hold the object close to your body. If it's too heavy, don't push through, split the load or ask for help. 7. Ignoring joint pain. It's easy to brush off aches as just part of getting older, but pain is your body's way of signaling that something needs attention. Instead of ignoring it, gently stretch the area, apply a warm compress, or rest it. If pain persists or worsens, talk to your doctor or a physical therapist. Catching small problems early can prevent bigger issues later on. Here's the good news. Small daily adjustments really do add up. Protecting your joints now helps you stay independent, active, and strong for the years ahead. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Senior Wellness Plus, and share in the comments, which of these habits are you working on today? Stay well, keep moving, and I'll see you in the next video.